Hey there, Snapchat fans. We love to put up Snapchat stories. Sometimes we may have to delete this story. Today we're going to show you how to delete a Snapchat story in under a minute. Let's get started. Fire up your Snapchat app and make sure you're logged in. From the camera screen, swipe left to access your stories. You will see Stories page. Scroll down to find your story, but if you not found your story, tap on your story icon at top left corner, scroll down until you find the My Story option. Here you will see your stories. Tap one you want to delete. Tap the three dots, ellipses, in the upper right corner of your story. Now, hit Delete Story and you will receive confirmation message, confirm your choice. Your story will disappear instantly. And that's how you delete a Snapchat story in no time at all. If this helped you out, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Snapchat tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.